We are pleased to show you the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, adaptive headlights, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.